What if an AI agent could compare suppliers across multiple marketplaces, detect pricing anomalies, rank the best vendors, and even draft negotiation messages automatically? Hello, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, we'll show you an autonomous procurement intelligence system powered by AgentQ. It monitors new purchase requests, researches suppliers across multiple platforms, compares pricing and delivery data. Step 1. New purchase request trigger. This workflow starts when a new purchase request row is added in Google Sheets. It watches the input sheet continuously and automatically picks up new product comparison requests. Step 2. Parse request and prepare supplier search plan. This node extracts the product name, quantity, requester, request ID, budget, date, and notes. It validates that the product name and quantity are available. Step 3. Run AgentQ supplier research. AgentQ receives the purchase request and supplier search plans. It performs supplier research across platforms like Global Industrial, Alibaba, Grainger, Amazon Business, and McMaster-Carr. Step 4. Use AI reasoning for search and comparison. The OpenAI model powers AgentQ's research logic. It helps the agent plan supplier navigation, compare product matches, validate pricing, and structure the final output. Step 5. Parse and score supplier research output. This node cleans the AI response and converts it into structured JSON. It adds processing status, quality score, and Notion-ready summary fields. Step 6. Generate supplier negotiation draft. This node creates a negotiation message for the best overall supplier. It calculates a target price below the listed price and includes competitor comparison leverage. Step 7. Create Notion comparison report. The workflow creates a structured supplier comparison page in Notion. It includes rankings, data quality, self-critique summary, negotiation draft, possible savings, and agent notes. Step 8. Send procurement summary to Slack. The workflow formats and sends a Slack summary to the procurement team. It includes the product name, request ID, quantity, rank suppliers, best options, data quality, and negotiation status. Step 9. Send supplier comparison summary to Slack. This node formats the supplier comparison results into a structured Slack summary for the procurement team. Step 10. Update sheet status and send anomaly alert if needed. The workflow updates Google Sheets with the final comparison status and key results. Step 11. Validate data and detect price anomalies. The workflow checks whether supplier prices look reliable. It calculates mean price, standard deviation, anomaly flags, and confidence scores. Step 12. Send price anomaly alert to Slack. If suspicious supplier pricing or unreliable data is detected, the workflow sends a separate anomaly alert to Slack. This is how you move from raw data to decision-ready insights automatically. If you value scalable, intelligent systems, subscribe. I'll see you in the next build.